In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and save an email template in HubSpot, navigating through HubSpot's comprehensive platform to tailor it to your specific marketing needs might seem daunting at first, but with a little guidance, it can become a streamlined process in your digital marketing toolkit. Let's dive right in. First, what you need to do is access the HubSpot user guide. This can easily be done by heading over to your HubSpot dashboard and finding the user guide icon. Think of the user guide as your roadmap. It's a crucial starting point to guide you through all of HubSpot's extensive features effectively and efficiently. Once you've opened the user guide, the next step is to click on the Marketing tab. This tab opens up a suite of tools specifically designed to help you create, manage, and execute marketing campaigns. By clicking on Marketing, you're orienting yourself with the broad array of options HubSpot provides for all your marketing endeavors. Now, navigate to the Email option within the Marketing section. Clicking on Email brings up HubSpot's Email Marketing Toolkit. This area is specifically dedicated to helping you craft impactful email campaigns. Emails are a pivotal aspect of any marketing strategy, providing a direct communication line to your audience. Here, you can manage your email lists, track metrics, and of course, create new email content. With the Email section open, your next step is to click on New Email. This is where the creative aspect of your email campaign begins. By selecting New Email, you're starting a fresh canvas where you can begin to lay out your email's design and structure. It's a blank space ready for your creative ideas to take shape. Once you've started with a new email, you'll want to solidify your work. To do this, go to the top menu and click on File. This tab is integral for managing the various aspects of your email design and configuration. It's like the command center for organizing how the email will ultimately be saved and stored. Finally, to ensure your email template is exactly how you want it and can be easily duplicated in future campaigns, click on Save Email as Template. Saving your email as a template is a major time saver. It allows you to replicate successful layouts quickly and efficiently, ensuring consistent branding and design in all your communications. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've not only created an email, but have also saved it as a template in HubSpot, ready for future use. This process not only saves time, but also ensures that your marketing efforts remain consistent and professional. Keep practicing these steps to become more proficient, and soon you'll be navigating HubSpot like a pro. Happy marketing!